Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Mutiara Islamika, and in this moment, I will tell you about my thesis proposal, and the title is Implement of a Course Review Holiday to Increase Vocabulary Mastery at 11th Grade Senior High School, 1 Trawas. Overview. There are chapter 1, chapter 2, and chapter 3. For the first chapter 1, a background of study. Why vocabulary? Number 1, Graves 2016 suggests that from the beginning of first grade to the end of high school, a linguistically advantaged student school at about 40,000 words to his or her oral reading vocabulary. That means that student need to acquire about 3,030 new words each year, or slightly more than 90 words per week. Number 2, vocabulary is very important element in learning English because without vocabulary, it will affect speaking, reading, and listening skill. Vocabulary is very important because vocabulary capital for interaction. Realizing how important English vocabulary is, English teachers need to use various methods to help students improve their language knowledge and experience. More precisely, teachers must innovation so that students are able to grasp and enthusiastically accept the material that the teacher has taught. Why Course Review Holiday? Course Review Holiday, or CRH, is also a learning model that is fun and increases student ability to complete in positive learning. Apart from that, this learning model will make students think critically and remember the concept learning easily. Course Review Holiday, or CRH, is a learning model used by teachers to make the class more enjoyable. Because of the CRH methods, if a student can answer correctly, then the student saw the word hooray or can that is liked or agreed upon by the group or the student themselves. B. Problem statement. Number 1. Is Course Review Holiday able to improve student vocabulary mastery? Number 2. How do students respond to the influence of the Course Review Holiday method? Objective of study. Based on the problem formulation and research background above, the aim of this research is to find out whether the holiday course can improve vocabulary mastery and also to find out student respond to the holiday course. Next, literature review. Number 1, vocabulary. According to Richard States, vocabulary is one of most obvious component of language and one of the first things applied linguistics turn their attention to. It means that vocabulary will make the student easily in learning language. If the student have a good vocabulary mastery, they can read or listen English clearly and then write or speak the sentences in English. According to Jackson, vocabulary is the stock of words in a language, or that is known by individual, or that is associated with particular activity. By having or mastering a stock of words, someone can communicate with other people with easy and fluently, and one can understand the information that one obtains from reading many English books. Number 2, Course Review Holiday. Course Review Holiday include into cooperative learning because cooperative learning is a broader concept covering all types of group work, include more teacher-led from or direct by the teacher. Teacher usually specifying the form of a particular exam at the end of the task. This lesson emphasizes active student experience by themselves. A teacher as facilitator, the role of teacher is to lead and give direction, and the learners not only as subject but also subject catering. They are complementary activity, active learning, and creative. According to Huda, course review or GRH is a learning method which can create exciting and fun class atmosphere because every student who has right answer must about Hori. Or another prevails that learning method emphasizes to student comprehension text in answering the question. The task is done in small group. CRH can make the class more lively and fun because students will have interaction with their friend in group and accept the learning content from the teacher. And next, previous study. Sinta Purwaningsi and 2016 Improving Student Reading Comprehension Through Course Review Hori Method. The research is about improving student reading comprehension through course review Hori as a method of language teaching of the 8th grade student at MTS Macaulay Ulum in the academic year of 2015-2016. The objective of this research is to improve students' reading comprehension focused on the context through course review Hori method. Based on the observation of the research, during teaching and learning process, the students were difficult to understand the text and reading fluently. The methodology of the research was classroom action research, which consists of 2 cycles. The number of the students in this research was 24 students. In complementing the research, the researcher used observation sheet, documentation, and multiple choice tests as the instrument of collecting the data. By conducting classroom action research, it was found that the implementation of course review Hori improved student reading comprehension. And next, context of the study. This research will conduct at SMAN 1 Trawas as a place of research. The target of this research is high school students because they are considered capable of applying course review Hori. And the research methodology. The approach used in the research is a qualitative approach because this approach can describe the condition of student and the teacher in the learning process and aim to reveal symptoms holistically, contextually through collecting data from natural setting. This is accordant with the research that the researcher will carry out. According to Mantra 2004, state that the qualitative approach is research procedure that descriptive data in the form of word or verbal expression from people and observed behavior. Scioto and Sodic 2050. The type of research used in the research is class action research or PTK, also known as class action research, which is research conducted to improve the learning process. According to Fatmawati, 2021 starts the classroom action research in his research that aim to improve the quality of learning process in the classroom so that student learning outcome can be improved. Thank you for your attention. This is my thesis proposal. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.